Lecture 3, AI and Global Economic Power. Introduction. The Race for AI Supremacy. Voiceover. Artificial intelligence has become the defining factor in global economic competition, reshaping traditional power structures and creating new economic superpowers. Nations investing heavily in AI are witnessing unparalleled economic growth, while those lagging behind risk economic stagnation. AI is no longer an auxiliary tool. It is a geopolitical asset determining international influence, trade, and military capabilities. A report from the Brookings Institution suggests that by 2030, AI could increase global GDP by 14%, with China and the US expected to dominate AI-driven economic expansion. However, geopolitical tensions, regulatory frameworks, and cultural values will determine how AI is deployed across nations. The Global AI Powerhouses. Several nations are racing to dominate AI research, applications, and economic integration. Let's examine the key players. United States, private sector-led innovation. 1. Home to Silicon Valley, where companies like Google, OpenAI, and Tesla are leading AI advancements. 2. The U.S. government invests $200 billion annually in AI-related research and development. 3. AI in finance, autonomous vehicles, and healthcare is accelerating economic growth. China. State-driven AI dominance. 1. China aims to become the world leader in AI by 2030, investing over $150 billion in AI infrastructure. 2. AI integration in manufacturing, surveillance, and e-commerce drives economic dominance. 3. Companies like Tencent, Alibaba, and Baidu lead global AI patents. European Union. Ethical AI and regulation leadership. 1. The EU prioritizes AI ethics and transparency, introducing laws to regulate AI use in finance, privacy, and labor. 2. While the EU lags behind in AI startups, Germany and France invest heavily in AI research. Emerging markets. The AI leapfrogging strategy. 1. Countries like India, Brazil, and Nigeria leverage AI to skip traditional industrialization and advance digital economies. 2. AI-powered agriculture and fintech innovation create economic inclusion in developing regions. Case study: AI in China versus the US. 1. China leads in AI-based surveillance, with over 700 million facial recognition cameras. 2. The US dominates in autonomous AI development, such as Tesla's self-driving technology. AI and the shift in global economic alliances. The AI race has reshaped alliances and economic partnerships, influencing global trade and economic cooperation. Key AI alliances. 1. US-EU AI Ethics Agreement. Promotes ethical AI use and prevents AI-driven financial monopolies. 2. China-Russia. AI military cooperation. AI-powered warfare, cyber attacks, and automated defense systems redefine global security. 3. Africa's AI Economic Union. AI-driven agricultural, healthcare, and fintech investments accelerate economic growth across Africa. The role of AI in trade and economic warfare. AI is not just transforming industries, it is becoming a weapon in global trade conflicts. Governments now leverage AI for economic surveillance, cyber warfare, and predictive market strategies. AI-driven trade policies. 1. Automated tariffs and trade monitoring. AI predicts trade imbalances and adjusts tariffs accordingly. 2. AI-powered cyber warfare. Nations use AI to disrupt financial systems and steal intellectual property. 3. AI-based sanctions and economic sanctions. Avoidance. AI models analyze global supply chains to enforce economic restrictions or circumvent sanctions. Example: AI in the US-China trade war. 1. The US banned Chinese AI firms from acquiring high-performance AI chips. 2. China responded by boosting domestic semiconductor development, reducing reliance on US technology. AI and the future of national economies. The ability to integrate AI into national economies will define future prosperity. Countries that fail to adopt AI risk economic stagnation. Projected AI economic growth by 2035, PwC data. 1. China, plus 26% GDP growth due to AI adoption. 2. US, plus 15% GDP growth from AI-driven automation. 3. EU, plus 11% GDP growth slowed by regulatory constraints. 4. India and emerging economies, plus 14% growth due to AI leapfrogging. Conclusion: AI as the new currency of global power. Voice over AI is the most valuable economic and strategic asset of the 21st century. Nations that dominate AI will dictate global trade, security, and technological advancement. To remain competitive, countries must: 1. Invest aggressively in AI research and infrastructure. 2. Balance AI innovation with ethical governance. 3. Form strategic AI alliances to drive collaborative growth. The AI arms race is underway, and those who fail to adapt will be left behind. The challenge now is to harness AI responsibly while ensuring economic and geopolitical stability. Next lecture: AI's role in individual wealth creation and the future of personal finance.